Welcome to 23170 Mock Knob Road in Bristol, Virginia. This one-story, three-bedroom, 2.5-bath home sits on a 2+ acre level lot. It has over 2,200 square feet of living space, along with the oversized driveway and two-car garage. Entering the home, we immediately take notice of the cherry hardwood floors that greet us and lead us into the sitting room. Gather together in the formal dining room at the end of a busy day to enjoy a wholesome meal with the entire family. The state-of-the-art kitchen with recessed lighting, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and lots of storage will be a favorite for the chef of the home. Just off the kitchen, we find ourselves on the master bedroom wing of the home. Here you will have access to the two-car garage, extremely large laundry room, and expansive pantry for your kitchen storage needs. This leads us into the master bedroom that is spacious with a neutral color palette and ceiling fan. The large master bath with tile floor has his and her closets and his and her sinks. The screened-in back porch will be a favorite gathering place at the end of the day to sit and enjoy the views. The formal living room will be the heartbeat of your home, where the cherry hardwood floors continue, and where you'll also find a vaulted ceiling, recessed lighting, ceiling fan, and a beautiful floor-to-ceiling stone wall. The last two bedrooms just off the living room are both spacious and nicely painted. Each have storage, ceiling fan, and share the hallway full bath with dual vanity. Other features include a central vacuum, Rihanna tankless hot water heater, 9-foot ceilings, Peachtree windows, and an extra 850 square feet in the attic that could be finished. This home has it all. Call today for your personal tour.